Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best car scratch remover available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Meguiar's Car Scratch Remover. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is an outstanding paint correction solution for anyone looking to restore a vehicle's finish without professional detailing costs. Its advanced microabrasive technology effectively removes light to moderate scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and other surface imperfections while preserving the integrity of clear coats and glossy paint. Unlike traditional rubbing compounds that can leave haze or dullness, this formula delivers a smooth, high-gloss, swirl-free finish that noticeably enhances color depth and clarity. Whether applied by hand or with a dual-action polisher, it works quickly and evenly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. The compound revives faded paint, restores showroom-quality shine, and creates an excellent foundation for waxing or sealing. With its fast-cutting yet safe formula, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a dependable choice for bringing neglected paint back to a like-new appearance with impressive results. Next up, we have Carfident Car Scratch Remover. This scratch and swirl remover kit is an excellent all-in-one solution for restoring your vehicle's paint without the expense of professional detailing. Designed to eliminate light scratches, swirl marks, water spots, oxidation, and other surface imperfections, the specially formulated compound works efficiently with the included buffer pad to revive dull, worn paint. Beyond correcting defects, it restores rich color, deep gloss, and a smooth, polished finish that significantly enhances the vehicle's overall appearance. The professional-grade formula is easy enough for beginners while delivering results that satisfy experienced detailers. Free from unnecessary dyes and fragrances, it focuses on effective paint correction without compromising quality. Safe for all paint colors and compatible with clear coat, single-stage, and multi-stage finishes, this versatile kit offers reliable performance across a wide range of vehicles. It's a practical, cost-effective way to refresh your car's exterior and maintain a clean, showroom-quality shine with minimal effort. Coming in at number 3, Baliaboya Car Scratch Remover. This car scratch remover offers a simple and effective way to restore your vehicle's appearance without expensive detailing services or specialized equipment. Designed for beginners and DIY users, the formula applies easily with a microfiber towel, allowing light scratches, scuffs, key marks, shopping cart abrasions, and tree branch blemishes to be reduced with minimal effort. Its advanced polishing compound not only minimizes visible imperfections but also revives the paint's original gloss, leaving a smoother, cleaner, and more refined finish. Compatible with all paint colors and finishes, including solid, metallic, and clear-coated surfaces, it provides versatile performance for virtually any vehicle. The water-resistant formula delivers long-lasting protection, helping maintain the restored look even after regular washing and exposure to the elements. Whether you're refreshing an older vehicle or preserving a newer one, this scratch remover is a practical, cost-effective solution that enhances your car's overall appearance while saving both time and professional repair expenses. Now at number 4, Manzurna Car Scratch Remover. This professional 3-step polishing system delivers a complete paint correction solution for restoring dull, scratched, or weathered vehicle finishes to showroom quality condition. The process begins with the Heavy Cut Compound 1000, which effectively removes light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and other surface imperfections while preparing the paint for finer refinement. The Medium Cut Compound 2500 follows by eliminating holograms, buffer trails, and polishing marks, leaving the surface noticeably smoother and more uniform. The final step, Super Finish 3800, enhances the paint with exceptional clarity, depth, and a rich, mirror-like gloss that highlights the vehicle's true color and finish. Suitable for both professional detailers and dedicated automotive enthusiasts, this system provides consistent, high-quality results on a wide range of paint types. Its balanced cutting and finishing performance makes it an excellent choice for achieving flawless, swirl-free paintwork with long-lasting visual appeal and a premium, professionally detailed appearance. And finally, our last pick, Trinov's Car Scratch Remover. This car scratch remover is a practical solution for improving the appearance of your vehicle by reducing the visibility of minor scratches, swirl marks, scuffs, and other surface imperfections. Its scratch removal wax formula not only helps conceal light paint defects but also restores smoothness, enhances color clarity, and revives the gloss of faded or dull finishes. Easy to use, it requires only a clean cloth for application, making routine paint maintenance simple for both beginners and experienced car owners. The polish spreads evenly, leaving behind a cleaner, more refined surface with an attractive shine that enhances the vehicle's overall appearance. Suitable for most painted vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs, this compact 100 ml bottle is convenient to store and ideal for quick touch-ups whenever needed. For maintaining a polished, well-kept exterior and extending the visual appeal of your vehicle between professional detailing sessions, it offers excellent value and dependable performance. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.